thought.
There. Slime. But it's so sticky for some reason.
Huh? What is that?
It's my slime.
What slime? It's icky and blue.
You haven't heard of it?
Nope.
Done. You haven't heard of it! You haven't heard of it! What was the trend of 2017? Huh? It.
Slime? I guess.
Yeah.
Well, I've heard of it, but never seen
You
it.
never, ever look into my eyes right now. You never ever say anything bad about slime. You hear that?
Yeah.
You hear that?
Yeah.
Good. Do you know how to make the slime?
No. Do you?
Well, yeah, I make it all the time. Well, it's your lucky day to make this kind of masterpiece, but not better. Come on, let's get to it.
Yay! Look into my
Not
eye.
get embarrassed of it because we're making it in the park and people are around.
Okay.
Ow.
There you go.
One of the people, yeah. Do they even know not to make slime? Yeah.
Mommy? Yeah? What is going on? I'm making slime.
Do you guys know that you're making it in the park?
Yeah.
That's kind of disturbing to people.
Yeah, I know.
I'll get the ingredients.
Don't we need... Oh, wait.
Got it.
Don't we need clear glue?
Oh yeah, this is boring glue, yeah.
I won't exactly call it boring,
Clear.
but I know we're making Nelly, Pinky, and Penguin haven't showed up at the park.
Spoon. And the pizzazz.
Oh, shiny.
And I'll get the activator when we need it.
Okay.
Move to get rid of the things you don't need.
Get
out the way.
I didn't know we need to do that to make the slime.
Yeah. Okay.
So we need to do this.
But first we need to get our clear glue,
Okay.
which is so hard to open. Okay. Got it.
You're gonna use all of it, the rest of it.
Put it right in there. Let's just do this much for you. Like, screw it. Back up. It's just taking a long time.
Well,
Okay.
I should.
Now you can't see it. Okay.
You can
Now
see
we
it.
add this
You
pizzazz,
can
which
see the
was
outline.
old makeup to make it shiny.
It's silver shine. Ow, my foot.
It just spilled
Where?
in the bowl right away. I can't help.
Oh, I'll help you. Get out of my face.
Okay. Yeah, okay, she left. Well, now you just mix. I'll just get out the way. Now you see.
won't know I'm up here.
Hmm? Wait, where'd you come from?
The sky.
That is really disturbing.
I was going
We'll just need to add more glue.
go down. Help. Mommy. Help. I'm in big trouble.
There.
I'm kind of stuck.
Yes, go back.
I'll say that. That's all I'll say. I'm stuck.
Okay, you just. Okay, let's mix. If you've been following the steps.
I have.
Now we just need activator, which I'll be back. Keep mixing. Okay, what?
What's that?
That's like a detergent.
Is it Tide?
No, it's another kind. For like babies. It's a detergent. Detergent's a saying.
Okay.
Just add it.
But when I make slime, I'm going to do Tide. #1 best awarded.
The mixes. See, it's forming. Chunky.
Oh.
But
Bye-bye.
you keep on mixing because I added the activator.
I'm going to fly away.
And I added like some shine, so you can add whatever you want, like the basic
find me on
way.
Saturn.
And cheap.
She'll never find me on Saturn because
Saturn?
I won't be on Saturn. Hey, how'd you hear me on Saturn? I'm only at Saturn in outer space.
It's getting better. Let's just add a little detergent.
Ooh, looks. But I'll say it feels good.
You felt detergent?
No, the slime.
You didn't touch it.
I did once for my friends in fetal high school.
For birds?
I've seen it. I already touched it. I played with it. Ooh.
Now you said you don't know what
I was
slime
supposed to
is.
see that I don't know what slime
Oh
is. My life is ruined. Ah.
Okay, let's add some.
Glitter.
Okay.
I love glitter.
Yeah, there's no such thing as so much glitter. Let's just like set it to.
That doesn't look right.
What's going on? There's an earthquake! Ah! Just if it's sticky. Wow, it's not even sticky. And very crunchy sounds. And with the use of baby detergent, I fixed my other sticky slime from earlier. So that's a bonus. Use baby detergent to fix your sticky slimes. Set on our new non-sticky slime. Naturally made from clear glue. I'm just kidding, guys. Now we can just keep on going with this guy. We have to do our new and shiny slime. Let's see our new slime. Let's not forget our new slime too. Oh, mix them a little bit. That's okay. Oh my gosh, it's mixing. Let's just give a little round of applause to our new slime! Yay! So that is the cheapest and easiest way. With the bonus to fix the slime. To make basic slime for you, Owlette, where she just left. Bye.